Alex Ayala from the Philippines, a 20-year-old born in Quezon City, 5 feet and 9 inches tall, turned pro March 4, 2020, plays left-handed or two-handed backhand. With her prize money total $1,345,205. Career record 193 to 113. Career titles 0 because the WTA 125 is not recorded as a career title. So highest ranking number 54 last October 6, 2025. By the WTA, she is the highest ranked Filipino player in WTA Tour history. She is also the first to enter the top 100 as well as the first to defeat multiple top 5 players and major champions and to reach a tour level final in the Open era. After an early exit in Japan Open WTA 250, she is now on the list to compete the Guangzhou Open in China WTA 250. The tournament starts on October 20 to October 26, 2025. The Guangzhou Open is a WTA 250 tournament played on outdoor hard courts in Guangzhou, China. The former Guangzhou International Women's Open features 32 singles players and 16 doubles teams competing at the Nansha International Tennis Center to earn 250 points in the standings. The event joined the Hologic WTA Tour calendar in 2004, the year that China tennis superstar Li Na won the inaugural title.